All right, guys. Um, Vader 125 or BD 125. I've been having trouble with this bike ever since I got it. The tail light, right here, it doesn't light up. Right when I start the key, even when I turn on the light. So the first thing you should do, if you test the brake, and if this will make it light up. So let me show you. This should work without the engine running. So I'm gonna show you the wall. I'm gonna push on the brake. There you go. You can kind of see it, right? You can kind of see it right there, but then when I let go of the brake, it just kind of stops. Now, in the daytime, that's fine. And they put a switch here so that you can turn it off in the daytime so you don't drain the battery or the stator, because the stator is really small and it doesn't generate as much energy. So at night, it still will charge the battery. It's just to help with the load a little bit better. But like the first thing you should do if you get this bike and you don't know why if the tail light is not working, is you want to turn this knob. It will be right here, and it's onto all the way to the right will be off, and when you turn it push it all the way to the left, it will be on. Now if you push it all the way to the left and it still doesn't come on like this, and I already turned it all the way to the left, the problem is probably if this is working, but the switch doesn't work. The problem is probably with the switch, and I'm going to show you what happened. See this brown wire right here? It got disconnected. Your wiring diagram should look kind of like this, right? There should be another. This black should connect to that, and of course this one came out. So you have to connect this to that, and you need to connect brown to that, but the brown came out. So for you it might be the red, the black that came out, or it could be the brown. And I would check the green wire as well, which is not even on here. So the green wire is up here, but if the green wire is disconnected, the brake shouldn't even work. So that's kind of the problem. And what you want to try to do is, what I did was I touch the brown wire to that broken solder right there, and it worked. So yep, that's the reason. All right, guys, if you have any question, hopefully this helped you guys. It was like a really, really quick diagnostic to figure it out, but I need to go and buy some solder so I could solder it. All right, bye.